Teespring versus Redbubble, which is better? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing which is better, is it Teespring or Redbubble? Now, Redbubble offers stunning high-quality prints on various items including shirts, phone, cases, and canvases. You'll also find a range of features to make your life easier. On the other hand, Teespring takes a different approach. It's a free platform where you can create and sell over 50 types of products with zero upfront risk or cost. It also handles everything from printing to customer service and shipping, and its designers focus on their concepts and ideas. And now let's talk about how do they work. Well, Redbubble operates as a stand-alone platform. You can manage your collection within their website and reach a pre-existing customer base. You can also load up your custom designs and let Redbubble handle the rest. While the Teespring integrates printing, shipping, order fulfillment, and customer service. You can choose items from their catalog, add your designs, and bring your concept to life. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of each two. Well, Redbubble pros, it's access to a pre-existing customer base. It's also high-quality prints and its features for artists. While its cons are no third-party application integrations and its stand-alone nature. On the other hand, Teespring's pros, it's zero upfront costs. It also manages services and its flexibility for designers, while its cons are limited third-party integrations and it requires building your own audience. Both platforms have their superpowers. Redbubble suits for artists seeking simplicity and ready-made marketplace, while Teespring empowers designers who want control and are willing to build their brand. Consider your priorities and business goals when choosing between these creative avenues. And then that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.